My video guide will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Vfgj. Vfgj is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware may encrypt the files and doesn't allow people to use the data anymore. So before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the files. People can open their data without any complications. But it might happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be some way or another injected into the system. So pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. Ransomware encrypts the files and adds this special Vfgj extension to all the data that has been damaged by it. So this is what happens with the files after they get damaged by this particular ransomware. The ransomware adds its special Vfgj extension to the files and doesn't let people use their data anymore. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery, which is $980. But paying the ransom doesn't mean that your files would be restored. In fact, you may simply lose your money for nothing if you pay that ransom. So please do not pay the ransom because you may simply lose your money without getting your files restored. So to get rid of this particular ransomware, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. We suggest that you go to the page combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the application and start carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of contemporary ransomware type threats, including this Vfgj ransomware. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and elimination. The updating procedure might take several minutes depending on the speed of your internet service provider. You may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The premium version of Combo Cleaner has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be duly protected against all sorts of other possible ransomware attacks. While the quick scan is in progress, the program will identify certain threats that might be peculiar to your system. Then at the end of scanning, it will give you the summary of threats. It will show you the exact locations of all these threats. Of course, you may remove them manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license to get rid of all these threats automatically and have your system protected in the future.